Namaskar, this is Dr. Radha Mohan from Mumbai. We are coming to Sompet, Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nataraja Natya Mandali to conduct Kuchipudi workshop, Radha Mohanam section 2. Why I said section 2? Last time we have conducted section 1, in that Ganapati Kautam subject it was. This time Tandavam is the subject. So this Sri Nataraja Natya Mandali director Bindu ma'am has requested to teach small children also who have completed the basics. So for them also teach some other theme she requested. That is the reason I am announcing you. Anybody is interested, small children also who have completed basics, they also can come and join in this workshop to learn this subject of Tandavam. And for some children capacity, according to them we will teach the different theme, and for elders Tandavam we teach, and whatever God has given us knowledge, that and through our Guru whatever we have knowledge we will share with you all. We all will enjoy in this workshop. And first of all, coming to village, it's a great thing for me. I am so much happy to come to village and teach this my art to the village people, because Bindu ma'am, she was travelled from Sompet to Vizag and she did MA in dance. But it's not easy to do. So much struggle will be there from traveling this place to that place, and she completed her masters. So really hats up to you, Bindu ma'am. So still you didn't settle in city, you have settled in still in the village, means how much love and affection is there and respect is there on the art, I can understand. So that is the reason you call me Amma. So as a daughter we are coming to you to teach in the village. So we are very much happy to do the this workshop in your place. So thank you so much, you have given opportunity to teach in the village. So it's a really great thing. I am feeling so happy. Anybody have an interest to learn or attend this workshop, Kuchipudi workshop, so please contact Bindu ma'am. Her number is 8106212220. Once again, 8106212220. This is her number. Please contact her and make use opportunity to learn something good. Whatever God has given us knowledge, that we will love to share with you all.